Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and yes, people, we got another awesome watch face for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store, and it's going to be free for the taking, and you know how it go. I don't know how long these watch faces are going to be free, and I got two in the lineup, so make sure you download ASAP. And with that being said, let's check out this awesome watch face. Now, this one is nice. It's called AWF Simple. Now, this is an analog themed out / digital watch face that looks beautiful, so don't sleep on this watch face. In the AOD mode, it's going to be dimmed down, but you're still going to get the same look, the same design as you would get when the watch face is on, right? But let's take a look at the watch face when it's on. I like the look, right? It's simplistic, and you got a black background that's going to help with battery efficiency, which is awesome. Now, you do get a nice second hand that's cruising around the bezel of the watch. You also get that dot there that's going to represent the hour you're in so far as your analog theme is concerned. And yes, you get a nice big bold digital time in the center with an AM stamp. You're going to get the day of the week and, of course, your date. Now, if you look up under the digital time, you will get your step info and your heart rate info as well. And so the watch face is interactive, and it does pack a punch, right? So check it out. I can tap right here on the date, and I can pull up my date information. I can tap here, of course, on my steps. I can get my heart rate information, step information, things of that nature. And if I tap on every number, I can set a favorite, which I thought was pretty cool. So you can make this watch face super convenient as much as you would like, and you can do all four corners. I love it. I thought that was very nice to add within this watch face. And on top of it, people, we can double tap, and we can customize the color theme of the watch face by tapping on the time. And you can cycle through many different color themes. Just continue to double tap, and it'll take you through the colors that you can set with this watch face, which I thought was awesome. Now let's check out watch face number 2. Okay, you all, watch face number 2 is called Minimalistic, if I pronounced that right. And it's a nice digital watch face geared toward fitness. In AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same digital time. It's going to look nice. Once the watch face is on, very simple. You got a nice black background that's going to help on battery efficiency as well, once again. And the look is nice. It's a stacked digital time. It's going to give you your date, your battery info, and your step information. And the watch face is interactive, so if I tap right here, I can pull up my calendar. Of course, if I tap up here, I can pull up my world time, which I thought was pretty cool. Not bad at all, right? And if I tap down at the bottom, I can go in and set an alarm if I so choose. So for a digital watch face, I thought this was pretty nice. Question is, hit me in the comment section down below. I would like to know from you guys, is this a download for you or not? All right, you all, that's going to be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.